bruh.
No, ma'am.
What kind of shit is that?
What? Watch this. Hey, okay. Naruto, nine tail, fox, I feel like a Gucci ad-lib.
Hi, kings and queens. Welcome to Operation Fix That Wig. So for today's Fixer Upper, we have contestant number 1, Arabella hair. This is the Water Wave 13 by 6 inch lace frontal wig in 22 inches, and we are getting ready to do some drastic changes. So for today's first Fixer Upper video, I have decided to completely change the look of this wig. I was gonna wear it like, you know, long, black, whatever, but I just realized why. It's just boring. I don't have time for, you know, boring wigs. I'm just trying to, you know, do different styles here and not be basic. So for today's video, we are going to be turning this long black, jet black wig into a blue bob. That is the end goal. That is the look. I don't know if we're gonna pull it off. Drop the comments down below, hashtag fix that wig. If I did it, if I fixed it, or if I didn't, y'all let me know how I did. Before we start this video, I suggest you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you do not want to not be a part of this fam. Like, you're here. You came here for a purpose. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all take some time. And if you don't subscribe, y'all, I'm gonna leave the wig like this. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not gonna fix any more wigs for you guys if you don't subscribe. I'm just playing. All right, so the colors that I'm gonna be using to change the wig color to blue is the Adore hair dye in the number 117 Aquamarine. And I chose Aquamarine because I feel like everyone uses indigo blue and I just wanted to be different. I'm also gonna be mixing it with the Adore dye in the emerald shade 168. Okay, it's focused now. I really want this to be like really special and unique, turning this black hair into a blue bob wig with no bleach, but I really don't see how that's going to happen without bleach, so I'm gonna have to bleach this hair. And y'all, I don't have that much bleach. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. We'll be doing this Fixer Upper with the Clairol BW2 powder. Oh, this is how much powder we have. That's nothing. I thought this through somewhat, and I'm going to probably just make it a little liquidy so that I can like run through. I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. We're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get to coloring, and I'm gonna show you guys the entire process, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so you already know that I am going to go ahead and bleach this wig. I've already explained that I barely have any bleach powder. I have like the developer in abundance, so we're basically just gonna make, so basically I just decided to stretch out this bleach. I'm just going to make it a watery, hella watery solution. So yeah, that's what we're doing. You guys, I just want to show you guys like honestly what I really go through when bleaching hair, because I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I don't even have that much anyway, so it's like I'm really doing this to see what I can come up with basically. So yeah, y'all just watch me try to bleach this hair, this wig, and I will show you what it starts to look like when the color is turning, and then we're gonna go ahead and wash it out. Please excuse my the background noise. If you do hear music in the background, it's my sister singing songs and playing music, so just excuse that. So y'all all right, you guys, so I have the wig. Honestly, it didn't do much of anything. It just kind of turned it brown in certain areas, and then it's like still black in majority of the wig.
Be quiet. It's okay, just be quiet.
So as you guys can see, there's like hints of like brown in there, so I was able to kind of like sort of get it dispersed through. Like, I ran out of bleach on the right side of the wig, I'm not even gonna lie. It's like half brown, half black wig. We're gonna make this work, you guys, okay? I'm about to just dip this wig in these two colors, a mixture of these two colors that I showed you in the beginning. Hopefully it'll turn blue. If it doesn't, it'll cover up whatever the color it may be. It'll be blue black, whatever it is gonna cover up this ugly bleach job. I'm gonna go ahead and get the hot water ready for the dipping of this wig, and we're gonna do it while wet. I was actually watching another girl's YouTube video of her doing the watercolor method, dipping her hair and stuff, and she wasn't drying it in between. She just kept dipping the wet hair into the water. So I'm just gonna do it on wet hair. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I can see it too, you guys. As you can see, the color didn't really take to it very well. It actually has a little hint of the blue in certain areas. Like, I'm looking at it right now, I can legit see the blue coloring. I don't know, can y'all see? Can y'all even see that? It's all nice and blowed out. I'm actually not surprised though, because I already kind of figured it was gonna be like this. Honestly, the coloring was a fail. This is our first episode of Fix That Wig, and you know what? It's okay to have failures. So the color was most definitely a fail, and I did a lot of wrong things, and I didn't have enough bleach, and there was just a lot of it's okay. We're gonna put our faith and our trust in the actual styling of this wig to create a bob and, you know, do something really, really cute. I'm actually just getting tired of how long and witch-like this is. This looks like a witch wig for like Halloween costume. I think y'all can see it better, the blue. Too bad I'm gonna cut that off because we're doing a bob. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue the wig onto my head. I just had my sister help me with putting a strap, those strap things in the back of the wig, to kind of like make it tighter so that I can just put it on and it fits tighter. And I added some foundation to the lace. If you want to know what foundation I used this Black Radiance foundation to kind of tint the lace, since I did make it blue. That's not the only thing. The only thing that got blue on this wig was the lace. The method I'm going to use to glue down the wig to my head, I don't want it to be like permanently on my head for a long periodically time. So I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued Free spray method and gluing it down that way. I will be right back when the wig is glued down. I'm gonna do my edges, and for you guys, like all the styling, I'm gonna do that in front of the camera. So now I am back. The wig is glued to my head with the Got to Be Glued spray. It got a little bit crusty over here, but nothing a little spit shine can't fix. I added like some powder and stuff like that. It looks okay, you know. I'm gonna be covering up all that lace situation when I do my edges, my swoops and my dupes and all of that, but I'm just happy that it's on my head and it's not going anywhere. Like, yes, if we like these series and, you know, we actually come with an actual color the next time we do a Fix That Wig, I will, if you guys want, I will show how I glue it down. But it's really like, I'm literally just going shh, a little dryer, stick it down. Like, it's actually not that difficult, and everybody does it, so that's why I figured, like, why show you guys? Now let's get to the styling. I was gonna do like baby hairs first, but I feel like I'm gonna do that last. I'm gonna save that for last. First, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my curling wand. It's been heating up, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit this, you know, this bumpy situation up here. Y'all, I love doing videos like this because it really shows that, like, we all mess up with hair. Like, we're not all perfect, and I actually enjoy, you know, basically transforming someone's hair into something new. Okay, you guys, so it's the moment of truth. We're gonna get ready to cut this hair. I'm super scared because this can either go really bad or really good, and I want this to be a straight bob. I'm just trying to see something really quick. I really don't want to look like Farquaad, so I'm just trying to refrain from that. Here we go with my paper scissors. These are not hair scissors, by the way. So like I said, this is extremely unprofessional, so anybody can fix a wig. I think I'm gonna cut it like right here first, and then see how I like it. So I have cut the hair, and I'm literally looking like I want to say, I want to swing from the chandelier. I look like Sia. Really, it's because like it's like kind of frizzy looking. We're just gonna go ahead and flat iron this situation because it needs to be like, it needs to be flat. Like I want to be able to fling it and it be like sleek. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my DUVOLLE flat ironer. We're gonna go ahead and get this nice and straight. I'm just gonna speed pass through this because like this is not a tutorial on how to flat iron hair. Together or whatever, like y'all, it's like literally 1 a.m. so whew, I have some dedication out here in these streets because I'm so tired, but we are here to fix this wig, and that's that on that. I'm definitely gonna make it even more straight in the morning. I'm just kind of getting restless and tired, so I just kind of like did what I could for now because I'm getting ready to sleep on it, so it's like whatever. So I picked up a new gel from Walmart. I really just wanted to try it because I'm always using Eco Style. I really wanted to try it on my natural hair, but we're putting on wigs right now, so we're just gonna use it to lay edges. This is the super wet gel. It was right next to the extreme gel in the store, but I just wanted to try this one because it was a little cheaper, and I just figured I want to try it, see how it is. It kind of smells like cleaning products. What I usually do for my edges is I use like the Eco Styling gel, and then I use a harder gel that's gonna like mold it down, so Gorilla Snot or Got to Be Glued. Today I'm gonna be using the super wet and the Gorilla Snot.
I know I'm not a guy they've been talking about the way I do.
the look. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and like re-flat iron it in the morning to make it even more flat, but I kind of like this. Let me say something about this gel. I didn't even need to use the Gorilla Snot. Like, I didn't need to use it because this gel is like, it ain't moving. Like, this gel is fire. So I'm basically just gonna go ahead and wrap my edges and then wake up. And yeah, just kind of like do some last minute touch-ups today. All right guys, so it is the next day. Are you guys ready to see the reveal of the hair of this transformation, y'all?
You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone pose. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. F-A-O-L, make my email stop. Cause you a bugaboo. You're bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me. And don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me stressing me.
So you have made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked my first transformation wig video, because I really do enjoy making wigs and things look better than what it is. So if you guys want me to do more transformation videos, if you guys want me to do DIYs, anything like that, then leave a big like. Comment down below what you think I should go for next. Comment down below if you thought this was a fail or not, because I know with the blue it didn't really work out like at all, but it is okay. Next time I'm actually gonna come with an actual color and make it look completely different. But honestly, as far as how it did look before, it was disgusting. Like, it was just not good at all, and now it looks amazing, and I'm super excited that I have a nice sleek cut bob. I did have my sister help me cut the back section because I could not see what it looked like in the back. I didn't know what it looked like in the back, so I had her help me with, you know, snip, snip, snippy, snipping. I just want to give a huge shout out to you guys and thanking you guys for almost 40,000 subscribers. Like, I love each and every single one of you guys, and I can't wait to do the next video for you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Now this is the definition of stiff wear.